If you're looking for a secure, flexible, and enterprise-ready reporting solution, Bold Reports is the answer. In this video, I'll show you how to embed the Bold Reports Report Viewer control into your React application and unlock powerful reporting capabilities. Before we start, make sure you have Node.js installed. Next, install the Create React app globally. This helps you quickly set up a React application without complex configurations. Run this command. Now create your React app by running this command. Once the app is created, navigate to the project folder. Install the type definitions for Create React class. Then, install the Bold Reports React package. Bold Reports requires window.jQuery to render components. Create a globals.js file in the src folder. And add this code. The React library is used for building user interfaces. The Create React class library defines components with a legacy API. And the React DOM library is used for rendering those components in the DOM. Assigning these imports to global variables ensures that they are accessible throughout the application or in the browser console without needing to be imported repeatedly. Import this file into index.js to make jQuery globally available. Next, to import the report viewer scripts and styles, open app.js. And add the necessary code snippet. Then I add the necessary scripts. The bold.reportviewer.min.css file is imported for rendering the report viewer control. The bold.reports.common.min file provides the base functionality and shared dependencies that the report viewer needs before any other Bold Reports components can run. Bold.reports.widgets.min loads the UI widget components required by the Bold Reports report viewer. Bold.reportviewer.min loads the Bold Reports report viewer control responsible for rendering, displaying, and interacting with reports. Lastly, bold.reports.react.min provides the React components that allow the Bold Reports report viewer to be used inside a React application. Replace the existing code with a container div for the report viewer. The style attribute is used to apply inline styles to the div, defining its width and height. Add the Bold Report Viewer component tag to render the report viewer. Add the ID attribute and assign the value report viewer container, which specifies the unique identity of the HTML element. Next, you need to initialize the web API service in the application. Create report service URL and report path API parameters with these values. Here, report service URL points to your web API service. The web API service is hosted on my local machine. The service URL with localhost indicates that the service runs locally on the same machine as the application. And the API report viewer path is the API endpoint for the report viewer service. Report path specifies the report you want to render. I am going to render this sales order details report for this demo. Finally, start the app. Your React application will load the report in the browser using the report viewer. In this video, I've shown you how to integrate the Bold Reports report viewer into a React application. To learn more, visit boldreports.com. Start a 30-day free trial, or schedule a demo with an expert to see how it can work best for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more on Bold Reports. Thanks for watching.